Thanks for joining me on this original Jane video. I would like to catch you up on some of the things that I've planted. If you remember and been watching my channel, my videos, I planted some seeds from packets on the first day of spring, and here it is mid-May now, and I will show you which of those seed packets actually germinated and are growing now. And also I'd like to show you some more plants that I've added, and I would like to show you my bird feeders. I have two bird feeders that I'm kind of proud of. They're nothing much, but I'm proud of them and they do the job pretty well. So I thought I would show those to you, and come on and join me and we'll take a look at some of the plants that we have. Here are some ornamental flowers my husband planted yesterday. These hydrangeas, oak leaf hydrangeas, are in bloom. Our blueberry bushes are full of fruit, ripening fruit. So I can't wait to pick these and have some fresh blueberries. Now here's my tomato plant. It is a Cherokee purple heirloom tomato, indeterminate. It's an indeterminate one. Then it's got several blooms on it. Some blooms right down in there. Maybe you can see. And some right up here. Right there. And then the plants that are around it here are radishes. I wanted to grow these for the radishes, but also for the leaves. They have a really good taste, like in a salad. I started those from seeds. So there's my tomato. Back here behind it, I have a squash, a zucchini. These came up from seed. This is a crookneck heirloom squash. See, it's got a few nodes down there on the stem. We'll see if they start to become a flower. So these are the sweet basils that I have, and these are the ones that I originally planted on the first day of spring from seed, and they did come up and they're doing pretty good. So here are some greens I just planted in this planter. They're lettuce and spinach. They're coming up pretty nicely. They get the morning sun here. This is a little succulent that I bought. Put some moss in this little leaf tray that I have. And it's supported by this brace. I'll put it out here beside the hummingbird feeder. I thought it would give them a nice little oasis. Right now I'd like to show you a couple of the bird feeders that I made. And one of them I thought up, well, both of them I thought up how to make them, and they serve my purpose. So let's take a look at them. Well, what I wanted to do on this bird feeder, I didn't want to have to fill a bird feeder like a tall one, but I didn't want to have to clean a bird feeder every day too, so I just made a square out of some old wood that we had. This is a $1 tray from the Dollar General, and then this is a plant stand that I have turned upside down, and then I have it hung up by chains. But you can see I just made a square, and then I nailed down the metal mesh. It's a metal mesh, so that when the rain does get to it, it will just dry quickly and go through, and then I come out and fill it up every morning. And then I have the one that I made this past fall, and you can see it's just an empty coffee can, and then it has the lid of the can up inside of it, and what I do is just put a scoop of birdseed up in there. And when it rains, it keeps it dry. It is certainly easy for the birds to get to, and a lot of fun to watch them eat. A good sized scoop, and then take it out to put in the feeders. Here we go. I just put a little bit in each one. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you will, please like my video, share my video, and subscribe to my channel. That's the best thing you could do, is subscribe to my channel for me. I try to do a variety of videos and place them on here for you to enjoy, and I hope you do enjoy them. I hope you'll join me next time. See you then. Here's some hens and chicks that are in an old planter that I have, and of course these are very old. And just to give you an idea of how big these are, that's how big they are. I've had them a very long time.